Class 10 children, today we will learn a new chapter, chapter 4, quadratic equations. So here in this chapter we will apply Sridhar Acharya formula. Now, what type of equation is a quadratic equation? Let us learn about that. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So you can see here x square is one variable, here x is variable. So here we have variable in the form of x, where in the square form of x we have a, in x we have b, and a constant term is c, and is equal to 0. Then such kind of equation, this type of equation is called quadratic equation. We should not forget that the first place is for x square and second place is for x, and third one is a constant term and equal to 0. Then we can solve the equation as x equal to, because here you can see the variable is x, so you have to find the value of x. So we can find the value of x by using this formula, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now you might be saying, what is this b, a, c and all? Then let me tell you, a number which is attached with x square variable, that number is called a. The number attached with x variable is b, and the constant term is c. So that values we have to put in these respective places, and then we have to simplify this formula, and finally whatever we will get, that will be the value of x. So to understand this, I have taken one example. Will try to understand with the help of example. Solve the following quadratic equation and give the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So you have to solve means find the value of x, and after solving the answer should be correct to 2 decimal places. That means after decimal there should be 2 numbers. So we have a equation, quadratic equation is x square minus 8x plus 5 equal to 0. So you can see it is a perfect quadratic equation. It is in the correct form, because ax square, here we have x square, nothing here means there is 1, this is 1x square, plus bx, you can see the plus has been changed with minus here, and bx has become 8x, and plus c is here plus 5 equal to 0 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So now we will solve it. So our solution starts, given x square minus 8x plus 5 equal to 0. Now comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get, that means we will compare this equation, given equation, with the quadratic equation, and then what we get, you can see here the place of a has been taken by 1, nothing is here means there is 1, so I can say a equal to 1. The place of b has been taken by here minus 8, so I can say b equal to minus 8. Plus value we don't write plus, but when there is minus we should mention it minus here. So b place has been taken by minus 8, and you can see c has been taken by, the place has been taken by 5, so c equal to 5. So now we came to know a is 1, b is minus 8 and c is 5. Now we have to solve the equation. So we have a formula that x equal to minus b, same formula I write, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now I will put the respective value of b, a and c. b is minus 8, so you can see this minus is a formula and value of b is minus 8. So because of double minus, I am writing it in the bracket. So minus is a formula and minus 8 is the value of b, plus minus root over b square means minus 8 square, because value of b is minus 8, so 8 square, minus 4ac, minus 4 into a means 1 and c is 5, so same value I put. 2a means 2 into 1, value of a is 1. Now minus into minus becomes plus, so plus 8, in the first place we don't write plus, so 8 plus minus 8 square is 64, As you all know, minus 8 into 8 is 64, but minus into minus is plus. So minus square means it becomes plus, and 8 square becomes 64. So children, whenever there is minus whole square, then you can say minus becomes plus in the whole square, and 8 square is 64. And here 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are minus 20. So 64 minus 20 root over by 2 ones are 2. Now 8 plus minus root over 44, because after subtraction we get 44 by 2. Next, children, this root 44 value, in the examination you will get a small booklet which will be provided in your examination hall. As you cannot use calculator, so this root over value will be provided to you in the form of a small booklet. But today, as you don't have those booklet with you, so I am giving you the value of root 44. Root 44 value is 6.633. So this value you can find it with the help of calculator also, but in examination you will get a small booklet. So at home you can use calculator to find the value of root over. And please note down children, after decimal you take only 3 numbers, as there are huge numbers, but you have to take only 3 numbers. So 8 plus minus 6.633 by 2. Next, you can see that plus minus has been divided in two parts, plus in one part and minus in another part. You can see here children, I am taking 8 plus 6.633 by 2, and in second segment I am taking 8 minus 6.633 by 2. So plus minus has been divided into two parts, plus in the first position, minus in the second position. Rest numbers are same. So when you add 8 plus 6.6333, then 633, then your value is 14.633 by 2. And when you subtract it, while subtracting we should take care children, you can see 8 minus 6.633. How I have done in the rough? 8 point, that means I have put 3 zeros and minus 6.6333. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, point we get decimal here, and 7, because 1 has gone that side, 7 minus 6 is 1. So that answer 1.367 by 2 I wrote here. Addition is so easy, so no need to do rough. And then dividing by 2, dividing 14.633 by 2, result is here. How to divide I have done here in the rough, you can check. And dividing 1.367 by 2 I have done here rough. How I got the answer I have done in the rough and written the answer here. So as you know, the question has asked to get only 2 decimal places. So here we have 4 decimal numbers. So my answer will be 7.32. Why not 31? Because when I take approx value, what happens? After 1 there is 6. So whenever the number is more than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 1 becomes 2. That means it increases to 1 step. And here 0.6835 has become 0.68. Why not 9? Because after 8 there is 3. So whenever number is less than 5, that is number is 1, 2, 3, 4, the number does not change. So it is 0.68. So these all things, this is called approx value. So this is our answer. And why we took only 2 decimal numbers? Because in the question they had demanded find the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So you can see it is 2 decimal places. So this is our answer. Same type of question I have given you as homework. You will get root 17 in the question while doing the solution. So that time root 17 value you can put 4.123 and your final answer will be like this. As you have to take 2 decimal places. So even if you get 3, 4 decimal, you have to convert it into 2 decimal places. Thank you children.